story of the day, and this one is coming from Kerala. It is about Rahul M. Trivandrum Sessions Court has granted anticipatory bail to Rahul M. This is in regard to second FIR that was registered against him. The crime branch, in fact, registered the second FIR against the MLA after KPCC President Sunny Joseph forwarded a 23-year-old woman's complaint on 3rd of December. Arpita, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arpita, so Rahul M. has got anticipatory bail in the second sexual assault case.
Well, yes, some relief for Palakkad MLA Rahul Mankuttal, because the Trivandrum Sessions Court has granted him anticipatory bail in the second FIR that has been registered against him. Remember, on December 3rd, email was received by KPCC President Sunny Joseph, where a 23-year-old girl from Bengaluru had alleged that she was forcefully raped by Rahul Mankuttal on the pretext of marriage. The KPCC President then forwarded the mail to DGP, and then the second FIR was registered. Now, it's been 2 weeks that Rahul Mankuttal has gone missing, and in the first complaint, High Court will be again hearing the matter on 15th of December. So in the second case, he has got anticipatory bail, and on first complaint, High Court will be hearing the case on 15 December. But the High Court, when it heard the case last time, they had said that till 15th of December, the investigating team cannot arrest Rahul Mankuttal. So now it needs to be seen what happens next, because today, when the court has granted him anticipatory bail, they have given out few terms and conditions, where they've clearly mentioned every Monday Rahul will have to go to the investigating team and sign the papers between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And second, the court has clearly said that Rahul should allow investigating team to do the investigation properly. He should give all the support that is needed. So he's been missing since last 2 weeks, and now it needs to be seen if he will come out. Now, one more thing that needs to be seen is that 15 December is a Monday, where High Court will be hearing the matter again in the first complaint. So will Rahul Mankuttal go and sign in the second FIR that has been mentioned is something that needs to be seen, because if High Court rejects anticipatory bail plea, then he can be arrested there. So there are chances he may come, he may surrender, or there are chances that he will wait until the High Court's order in the first case, only then he will come out and sign.
All right. So 15th clearly is an important date as far as this case and Rahul M is concerned. Remember, viewers, the Palakkad MLA has been absconding since the registration of the first case against him, and now he's got interim relief in the second case. Arpita, appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story.